With me guys to selfie on this video. So in this video I've been getting a request um as to how to trade options, how to find options on Deriv accounts. I'll be walking you guys through on how to set up your options account. So one thing you have to know is that you can't trade options on your MT5. So you have to trade options on your Deriv platform, which I'll be showing you how to go about it. And also one good thing about option is that with as little as 0.40 $1 above, you can trade options. That's a very good thing. So you don't do lot sizing on options. All you do is stake. So you stake an amount of money and you get your returns either in tick or in minutes, depending on what you're trading. So just stick to me while I walk you guys down and you're going to understand better what I mean. So stay tuned to this channel, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm yours one and only SAWMYFX. Stay locked in. I have a lot to show you guys on the options market and you don't want to miss out. So immediately you log into your Deriv account. Let's have it. Immediately you log into your Deriv account. If you can see my screen, yeah. So you're going to see smart trader, smart trader at this side. You see ST smart trader. Go to open. So in smart trader is where you'll be able to trade options. So just use your phone and go to your smart trader. So right here you can see market. So in market, because we want to trade synthetic assets, we want to go to derived. So right here you can see derived. So I have volatility 50. Okay, so here I have volatility. I want to trade volatility 50. So the trade types is we have rise and fall, higher low, touch, no touch. We have a lot of patterns of trading, but what I trade here is rise and fall. And I'll be explaining rise and fall to you guys in a minute. So start time is now. My duration, I use 5 minutes and above, but for this video, I'll be using 5. And here you tick minutes. So unlike you trading the MT5, you use loss size, but here we use stakes. So I'm going to click allow equals. So here I'm going to click allow equals. Then I'm going to use, for this video, I'll be using 0.45. I hope it goes through. I told you guys, you see, as little as 0.45 can open a trade here. So 0.5 I'm just trying to give you guys scenario on how to trade this. So let's say I purchase this market. So here is insufficient. So let me see if I can switch logins. So you can see, let's view. So if you're positive, so you'll see the market moving up and down. This is my entry. If market goes above, I'm selling. If it goes above, price is going to be up, and I'm going to lose this trade. But if it closes below this line, that means I won the trade. So look at your time frame, remaining time. So I have 4 minutes 23 seconds. I can actually close out before the expiration of this time, whether in profit or loss, depending on how much is left for me. So I'm floating on -0, -10. I can close out on that -10 before this time closes, or I can wait for full TP. So that's how it works, guys. So I'll be doing videos on how to trade these strategies you can use to grow it, and also teach you some of the secrets you can use to trade your small account and build it. Maybe after building from here, you can now come back to MT5 and grow your account. It works, guys. It really works. So let's see how this particular one plays out. Don't forget, this is a 0.45 cent account. So you keep doing this with the right strategy, you're going to grow the account. And I'm sure I got you guys covered. So stay tuned to this channel, go nowhere, and let's see what we can make out of these options. See you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel. See you guys.